To my dada, my hero, the hero of millions. Happy 80th birthday. Know that you will always have me, my love, my respect, my gratitude, and most importantly, my loyalty. I will never ever turn my back on you. You have cared for me since the moment you laid eyes on me. Now that I am capable, it is time to return the favor. Mira and I will be waiting at home for you, where we will tell you stories about what's been going on with our lives. I am living my life every day for you, and I am doing the best I can to commit to the promise I made to you. Da, kahibaw ko nga nay gisumbong si Ate Inday nimo, pero ayaw kabalaka, kay ichikara nako tanan pag uli nimo pohon. Kahibaw na ka sa kong pasabot. Happy birthday, kaon, tulog, og exercise diha. Talk to God and be still in knowing that we are all fighting for you. Makakaon na lagi ka og buwad og munggo pohon. I love you, Dad.